Welcome to Gamma Lab. Today you're going to see how to clean the filter and ensure a long-lasting life for the hair dryer. The life of a dryer's motor depends on how clean the filter is and how often is released from dirt and rest of hair. All professional dryers have a detachable filter, so taking a look daily is the key for ensuring a long life to the product. The filter can be cleaned with water. There's no need to use any cleansing product. After cleaning it, just wait no less than 12 hours to place it back on the dryer and start using it. What to do with a dryer which is used at home? Many of them do not come with a detachable filter, so in order to clean it, you should do the following. Put the dryer with the back filter down. Slightly shake it. Ensure all dirt comes out from the dryer before using it again. Never pack the dryer with small pieces. They may get into the product and damage it. Never use cleansing product on the dryer's housing. If you want to clean the dryer, just use a wet cloth. Never twist the power cord. Never use a dryer without its filter. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to visit us at gammaitaly.com.